Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So currently we are on live chart and we are on 4-hour time frame chart. So in last week gold price prediction video we already plotted some major support resistance, and we also discussed some important price action pattern for gold on different time frame and on different scenarios. So if you want to check that video for more detail on gold price movement, you can check that video from the description. But for this session we are going to discuss the price movement of gold in current time frame and in current trading sessions that we are going to trade, and we are also going to discuss some major support resistance in coming trading sessions for gold. So from the chart you can see that in last week the bond yield panic continue, and buyers pushed the price from this level to currently this level. And from the today's trading session you can see that uh, gold is not moving that much, and this this is a sign that we can say that bulls are losing pressure on the buying side. So let's just discuss some major level that I'm going to discuss and that we are going to trade for gold and that we are going to focus for gold. So let's just zoom out and discuss in detail. So for this video I'm going to use Fibonacci retracement tool for better understanding how currently price is moving on Fibonacci tool. So for this I am going to draw Fibonacci tool. So if we pick this point as the major top level point and the lower point is this point, so if we plot this point as like this, the lower point is this. So let's just discuss how price can behave on this tool. We already plotted various price action movement in different price action pattern, but for this I am just using one simple Fibonacci tool. And as we already discussed various level, so I am not going to repeat those level in this video. We are just going to plot and discuss some new level or some support resistance for coming trading sessions and for this trading session. So from the chart you can easily see here that this price range or this level, the level of 0.618 is the major resistance currently that gold is facing in terms of buying side. So as you can see, this level already rejected the price. You can ignore this price because we are considering this point as the lowest point, and we can consider this level and this level as a rejection after the retracement of price. So currently I'm looking at this price level which is at around 18242 to 1828 zone. So this is the major price level that currently we are focusing for gold to break out. So currently I'm looking at this price, and another price level that is a very important price level that we already discussed, that it is the price level of 1832 zone in buying side. So currently for the intraday level, this is the major price zone and this is a no trade zone for me, and I'm expecting that if gold is able to break out this zone, then I can look for the entry for buy only after the breakout of 1832 level. Similarly, in the downside, if the price got rejected at this level, and we can then expect a lower movement towards this zone. So these are the major price level that currently we have to kept in mind during trade for gold. So as you can see from the volume profile, this is the volume accumulation zone, and we can expect a pullback, or you can say bounce of price from after touching this level. But this is the major you can say support toward the downside of price, and we already discussed these level in recent prediction video. But for the current price behavior, we have to focus on this price zone that we already discussed, 1824 to 1828, because currently price is moving inside this rectangle. Let me just draw this so that you will get a better view. So if you focus over here, so this is the price range. If you look over 183, its upper side is 1832 and its lower price range is 1824. For currently my position and currently what I'm looking is, currently I'm not in any trade, and I will look only buy after the breakout of 1832 zone. And currently you can see that there is not a very much movement from the current trading session, and we can expect that if gold is able to break out 1832, then we can see upside movement up to 1850 level. But if it is not able to break out this rectangle zone, we can expect a down move, and we can take short entry accordingly. So this is the major support resistance, and this is the area of concern for now. So we will discuss more in another session, but for this session this is the major area that I'm going to focus. So if you have different view, you can comment so that we can discuss more in detail. So this is for now. Thank you and good luck.